What's up, guys? Jacob Rutherford here, filming from my $40 million penthouse here in Las Vegas. Anyway, what I want to talk about today is something that has not really been brought up much in the community, but it's something that everyone is dealing with. And it's the honest fact that making money from publishing is much harder than before. So, what a lot of people won't admit openly, but it's a reality with the business, is a lot of publishers struggling to grow their business this year. All the old methods of making easy, quick money are gone, whether it's with promo codes, using fake reviews, price striking, all that stuff is gone. And more so, it's also about the economics, about how much it costs to outsource a book these days. If you were around in 2017, we all used to laugh that people were outsourcing 5,000 word books and that you had to outsource long books. And in 2017, a long book was 10,000 to 15,000 words. Fair enough. So the cost for outsourcing a 10,000 word book, figure it's $2 per 100 words. You're looking at $200 plus the cover plus formatting. Let's just say it's $250 all in, give or take. Now, making your return on your investment, your ROI, from a $250 book is much easier than what we have to deal with now. So in 2020, we're having to outsource usually a minimum of 30,000 words for a book. Sometimes people opt to go longer, but we'll go with 30,000 words. 30,000, if you're using a ghostwriting company, it can cost as much as, I think, $3 per 100 words. And let's use that. So 300, let's see. So 30,000 with a rate of $3 per 100 words equals $900 for the manuscript. And then you've got to factor in a cover and formatting and all that stuff. So, making money from a $250 book with really easy tactics to monetize it versus a possibly $1,000 book, and then you're having to legitimately market it with a real brand. The game is much harder now than it ever was before, and veteran publishers will all agree with this. So I'm still making a full-time living from Amazon, obviously, but I know that a lot of publishers are still doing well, but they're having difficulties in really growing their business past where they were last year. And, the common monkey here is to always say, just publish more books and it'll be okay. But what are you struggling with at this point in 2020 with growing your business? Is it that ads are more expensive to pay for per click than before? Is it that there's more competition in keywords that you're already in, or that you were doing well prior and now you're getting killed? Tell me how I can help you make more money with Amazon, how I can help you grow your business. And I would actually like to not make another fucking course and make you charge for it. I'd like to actually help you on YouTube with whatever questions you have, whatever help you need, and just provide it here for free. Because number one, I actually want to monetize my channel. Number two, I actually do want to help you. So ask away in the comments, what are you struggling with in 2020 with publishing? And just let me know in the comments or even on Facebook. And I'd love to gather a lot of questions and just hit them all up in a Q&A. And let's get you making more money. So don't be afraid. I mean, everyone's struggling with publishing to some degree, whether they're starting out or successful, but finding out they're having a hard time scaling further without promo codes and other stupid shit. So let me know. Hit me up in the comments, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Take care.